last chapter, chapter 45, quality. When we talk about quality, quality simply means meeting customers' expectations. And when customers' expectations are met, it means they are happy, they will be happy. There's satisfaction derived from the consumption of a commodity.
Sure.
So that is what quality is. So let's go down and see. What is quality? When consumers are shopping, they may consider quality when choosing products. Quality could be described as those features of a product or service that allows it to satisfy customers' wants. So that means satisfying customer wants is based on their expectation, isn't it? Isn't it?
How?
What, as soon as you buy, you are looking out for something. What are you looking out for when you are buying? The value for your money. So to enjoy the value for your money, it means the product has given you satisfaction. So that means if the product has given you satisfaction, it means the product has quality. Do you understand what quality is now?
Sure.
So whatever businesses have to put together to ensure that customer satisfaction is derived on that product consumed is quality. Clear? Is it clear, please?
Yeah, clear.
So quality is one. Customer service, how prompt is delivery? Repairs, how much does it cost to maintain the car? Suitability, can it sit 6 people comfortably? Physical appearance, reliability and durability, special features. These are all about quality. I think they are clear, right?
How?
The features of quality, how reliable the product is, how last-longing is the product, its quality. Special features, what does this product has that others do not have?
Really?
What attracts you to this product? That's a feature of quality. Yeah, it's quality. Suitability, do you feel comfortable using that product? Does it suit your style? Was it useful for what you bought it for? This is quality.
Yeah.
Repairs, do you have to spend so much after buying it, or you spend less? That is quality. If it is quality, you don't spend much.
It also is quality.
Customer service, how prompt is your delivery? Do you deliver as soon as possible? The turnaround time, is it fast or slow? That's quality. These are features of quality. Do you get it now?
Sure.
So what are the importance of quality? Quality is more important than ever. Consumers are more aware. They get information through the media and the internet. And as a result, they have higher expectations than ever before. I told you earlier that quality means what? Meeting customers' expectation. And you hear what they said here. As a result, they have higher expectations. So without meeting customers' expectation, you are not producing a product that has quality or a service that has quality. So why is quality important? Number one, increased competition has forced firms to improve quality. Consumers do not need to buy products from businesses that fail to deliver quality. So the competition is high, it's increasing, it's fierce. So without quality, they just go to your competitors. They wouldn't have that time to dwell on it. So if you are with increasing competition, it is important for businesses to increase or improve on their productive quality. 2, government legislation designed to protect consumers has forced firms to improve quality. So government legislation, quality products, customers having information about the product, the child labor laws, whatever, pollution, environmental laws. These are government legislation.
Yeah.
So this has allowed businesses to start thinking about ways to get things done better. So that will bring about quality.
Yeah, but can it, how does it make it?
Government laws. Do you know what government laws are?
Yeah.
Government make laws on environment. Government make laws on child labor. Government make laws on different kind of things, different kinds of operations that affect the business.
Sure.
So if government makes if government laws are on pollution, it means businesses should start thinking about technology that would reduce pollution. Yes or no? So investing in technology that will reduce pollution will bring about quality production.
Yeah.
That is the point.
Sure. But I have another question.
Sure, ask.
What if they don't listen to the legislation?
Have you forgotten that there's always penalty, there's sanction? We talked about it when we were doing government legislation. You don't have any other. There are external factors that are beyond your control.
Sure.
You just have to find a way around it by adapting a system that allows you to continue to operate.
Sure.
Clear. 40 products are costly for a business. Machinery that breaks down or constantly need to be repaired will also be expensive. So you have to get quality machines. If not, they will continue to break down. So these are the importance of quality. Is it clear?
Wait, is it also quality in the business?
Yeah, businesses have to purchase quality equipment.
Not always in the
Customers.
product. Not always in the product.
Businesses have to operate. They have to use equipment, machines that have quality too. If not, their machine will continue to break down. So businesses must invest in quality equipment, quality capital. If not, they will be disappointing customers. Now we go to traditional quality control. Traditionally, production departments were responsible for ensuring quality. Their objective might have been to make sure that products satisfy consumer needs, operate in the way they should, can be produced cost effectively, can be repaired easily, meet safety standards set down by legislation and independent bodies. This is the traditional quality control. Make sure that the product meets the needs of customers, that the products are delivered as at when due, it's effective. Even if they want to repair it, they can easily repair it. These are traditional quality control. So now let's go to quality control itself. So for quality control, they say quality control in the past often involved quality controllers or quality inspectors checking other people's work and production itself after production. So quality control simply means as soon as the production is done, as soon as we make the wristwatch, as soon as we make it, now we'll find an inspector to check if the wristwatch has quality or not. That is quality control. Do you get quality control here?
No.
You check quality at the end of production.
End of production.
At the end of production, that is quality control. You produce this. Now the production is done. The production of wristwatches are done. Then you want to check if the wristwatch has quality or not. You are checking out for quality. There are things you have to check out for, yes or no? So those things that you have to check out for at the end of production, which are quality, is called quality control.
Sure.
So there's quality control, which means you check for quality, you check out for quality at the end of production. Is quality control clear?
Okay, sure.
Then we have quality assurance, which leads to total quality management. So today, inspection is carried out during the production process. This means that poor quality production can be prevented before production is complete. So these days, quality assurance, for quality assurance, it means we check quality during the production process, not when the production is made. Those days we use quality control. But the problem about quality control is that you might waste resources. If at the end of it all, the wristwatch does not have the quality it needs to have, then it's not sellable.
Sure. Like how?
Quality is there are things that quality brings about. What are those things that you will look out for? That is the quality. Does it meet the standard or not? If it doesn't meet the standard, you cannot know until the production is made. That is quality control. But quality assurance means as soon as you start the process of producing this wristwatch, you start checking on quality from each stage of the production before it gets to the final stage. For quality control, it means you check out for quality at the final stage.
At the final stage.
When the product is made. That is quality control. But for total quality management, you check for quality from the beginning until the end.
Is there types?
Types of what?
What do you mean by total quality management?
Total quality management is checking quality from your gate down to the house. That is total quality management. From the security personnel to the director, the managing director up there, checking quality from that gate to the top. That is total quality management. Do you understand total quality management here?
Yeah.
It means everybody must think the same way about quality, giving quality services. Is it clear now or not?
Yeah, sure, clear. But is there any other type of That's the only one.
Yeah, there's quality control and quality control and total quality management, which I just explained now.
And that's the two types.
Yeah, and the quality assurance is you just telling us that we will maintain quality from the beginning till the end. That is quality assurance. Giving us, committing to it, giving us that, letting us to understand you are committed to giving quality. So your commitment is quality assurance. Commitment towards quality is quality assurance. But we have quality control, which means we check quality at the end of production. And we have total quality management, which means we check quality, there's commitment about quality from the beginning until the end.
Okay, understand.
So we go to total quality management now. Are you there? Yes. Are you there?
Yeah.
So we go to total quality management. TQM is designed to prevent errors such as poor quality products from ever happening. So what are the features? So for total quality management, like I said earlier, it simply means checking out for quality from the beginning to until the end of production. And what does this simply mean? It means we will be able to avoid poor quality. There won't be mistake because everybody is conscious about quality from the beginning until the end.
Yeah, sure.
So what are the features of TQM? Quality chains. Every worker in the business is like a link in a chain, and every worker is both a customer and a supplier. This is because a worker on a production line will only receive and pass on semi-finished work if it has reached specified quality standards. This avoids faulty products ever being made. The chain also includes customers and suppliers outside the business. For total quality management, it starts with the quality chain. What do we mean by quality chain? Quality chain simply means that everyone that is partaking in the production process must watch out for the quality standard before it moves it to the next stage. Before you move the product to me, you would have confirmed that every aspect of quality on your own area is done.
Okay, sure.
Before you move it to the next. That is what we call quality chains. Is it clear now?
Okay, well, what do you mean about suppliers and the customer?
You are the supplier, you are the customer.
How's that linked
it means
quality management?
It means we are the customer here is we call them in-house customers. So you will be whatever you are giving to me, you are giving it to me as if I'm the customer. So you don't want to give something to me that is not good.
Oh, these total quality managers are.
So you see me as your customer. So and you know customers are kingpin of the business.
Yeah.
So whatever you are giving to me, you don't want to give something back to your customer because if you do, your customer is not going to come back. He's not going to be happy.
Give it back.
So you treat your colleagues as customers, internal customers. So when you treat them as internal customers, it means you want to treat them you want to give them quality products.
Yeah. Well,
do you get it now?
What about suppliers?
Are you not the one giving it to me? You are the supplier.
I see.
And if I am going to give it to the next colleague, I become the supplier. The next colleague becomes the customer.
Yeah.
So we are doing this because we are in the same quality chain. We want to ensure that quality on each side is reached.
Even the customers.
The customers are internal customers.
Oh, okay.
If you treat me as an internal customer, you're going to treat me well. If I treat you as an internal customer, I'm going to treat you well. I'm not going to treat you like a colleague. I'm going to treat you like a customer because customers are king. So if I'm treating you like a king, it means I'm giving you something like a king. I'm giving you what a king deserves. That is quality.
Okay, I get it.
Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Everyone is involved. That's another feature. So like I told you earlier, this is a company. You have the security guard, right?
Yeah.
From the security guard to the managing director all there, we are all involved in giving quality. That is the second point. Everyone is involved.
I don't get it. Like he will check every single.
What is quality? Quality means you satisfy people. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So the security personnel must start satisfying the customers before they get into the main office.
Like he tried to check every single customer are good or something.
Not checking if customers are good. Making customers happy. That is customer satisfaction.
yeah.
So the point is, from the security personnel, you must treat your customer well from the gate down up there
Down to the
to the top. That is quality. Quality means giving satisfying customer needs. Forget about the example. Satisfying customer needs is quality.
Yeah.
Quality must start from the beginning until the end, from the bottom to the top.
Okay, sure.
So rendering a better quality service must involve everybody. So that is what they mean by everyone is involved.
Sure.
From the security personnel,
Yeah.
who stays at the gate of the company, to the managing director who is staying at the top of the company. They must all be involved in giving quality service.
Sure.
Quality audits. Statistical data is used to monitor quality standards. So we have to check. That is auditing. We have to monitor that the standards given are correct. We have a yardstick. We have what we use in measurement. Quality is abstract. You can't see it, but you can feel it. So in product A, item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 must be there before we say it is quality. So one item missing does not give quality.
I don't get it.
This is a product.
Yeah.
It must have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to make it quality.
Sure.
If it has 1, 3, 4, 5 without 2, it is not quality.
Doesn't like one.
Something is missing.
A feature it's missing.
That is what quality is about. Understanding what is missing. Quality is abstract. It's not what I see. It's not what you see.
Yeah.
But we feel it. So what we are saying is we look out for quality. So if whatever we set as quality is not present, it lacks quality. Total quality management will not accept it. So that is why total quality management does quality audit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is quality.
They will like check
I will
the
check.
papers or something.
Is one here? Is 2 here? Oh, 3 is missing. Oh, this is not total quality management. 3 is missing.
What are like 1, 2, 3, 4? What are we like talking about? The data or something?
Item, anything, item. This phone must contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This phone must contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
So if it doesn't have 2, it means quality is missing. That is what we are looking out for. We are looking out for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you can't find 1 or you can't find 2 or 3, it means it lacks quality. It cannot fly.
Yeah.
That is what quality is. I'm using 1, 2, 3 as an example here. So this product must contain.
So each data has to be in quality.
Whatever you look out for, what you expect. I told you quality is about expectation.
Yes.
So whatever you are expecting from that product, if it is not there, it doesn't have quality. My expectation on this item with me is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whenever I look at this item, I must find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right now, I can only find 1, 2, 3. There's no 4. There's no 5. It lacks quality.
Yeah.
Oh, how can I know that? I have to audit. That is quality audit. Checking if 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are present. If they are present, then they can move to the next stage.
Move to the next stage.
That is quality control. Total quality management.
Sure.
Total quality management also have teamwork. When I talk about teamwork, it means everybody must be in the same direction.
Okay. Are they like?
We must think the same way. Thinking about quality, that is total quality management. We must think the same way.
Oh. Like are the total quality managers are individuals or?
Total quality management, I told you, total quality management starts from the security personnel.
Yeah, I know.
Can I finish, please?
Okay, sure.
Total quality management starts from the security personnel to the managing director, which is the number 1 of the company.
Sure.
So every individual, every department in that organization must think about quality. That is what total quality management is about.
Sure.
We must all be on the same line to give quality at all time. So, teamwork means every individual that are involved in the production must think about quality. We must work hand in hand to give quality. That is teamwork.
The business itself should teamwork on the same idea.
Everybody that are involved must think the same way. That is teamwork.
Yeah. Sure.
Do you get it or not?
Yeah, sure.
There's teamwork. What's a teamwork? People coming together to form a team,
Yeah.
to work and to work together.
And do the one job.
So now, the point is quality itself.
Yeah.
People should work hand in hand to ensure that this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that we need on this material is there. That is teamwork.
Yeah.
We must help each other to make sure that quality is achieved.
Sure.
We must help each other to make sure quality is achieved. That is teamwork. Customer focused. Firms using TQM are committed to their customers. They respond to changes in people's needs and expectations. They must always be ready to give customers response. They must be able to listen to their customers because they are producing for customers. Customers' expectation is quality.
Yeah.
So being responsive to your customers means you are giving them total quality management.
Sure.
Zero defects. There must not be mistakes.
Zero defects.
Yeah, there must not be mistakes.
Like what?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If without 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you're not going to pass it to me.
Yeah.
If 2 is missing, you need to find the 2 before you pass 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to me. So that means nobody is going to make mistake. So at the end of the production, the product would certify okay. The product would have been certified okay. Not like quality control. For quality control, mistakes might be in the course of production process. Nobody knows until they check. The inspector check for quality. But for total quality management, we check from the beginning until the end. So there's what you have to look out for in the product. If what you have to look out for in the product is missing, it's not quality. You have to find it before you pass it to the next stage.
Sure.
Is it clear?
Okay, clear.
Advantages of total quality management. Focus is on customer needs. Yeah, because it's about customers' expectation. Quality improved in all aspects of business. So from the security to the managing director, everybody will improve quality. Yes. Waste and inefficiencies are removed. When you find out that something is missing or it's not necessary, you take it away. You put the right thing.
Yeah.
Helps develop ways of measuring performance. So we can now measure how good or bad we have. Improves communication and problem solving because there's teamwork. We have to work hand in hand. So that improves the way we communicate with each other. We interact with each other. Is it clear?
Clear.
There will be problems about total quality management. High training and implementation cost. You need to train workers. You need to train workers to know what they have to look out for when it comes to quality. And that is expensive. 2, will only work if everyone is committed.
Really? Yeah.
How can it work when it's about teamwork? When the security must do its job, the next person must do his job, everybody must do their job. It means we have to be committed.
Yeah.
That's why there's quality assurance. We have to be committed to it. So if one person is missing or lacks total quality management, then the whole system lacks quality management. Maybe bureaucratic. It needs a lot of documentation.
Really?
Isn't it?
Yeah.
You have to check details every now and then. Check details every now. Each stage you check details. Each stage you check details. It takes time.
Sure.
Focus is on process, not product. So we don't check the product. We check the process.
Why?
That is total quality. Between all the process you are checking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if it's there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. You're not even checking if the product is okay or not. So the focus is about what our process.
But how is it a disadvantage?
It's a disadvantage because we're only looking out for how we carry out the function, not what the product will become. We believe mostly on the process, not the products.
Really?
Why do we talk about from the security personnel? Does the security personnel make the product?
No.
But we talked about the security personnel until the managing director.
Yeah.
That means we trust more of the process than the product.
Mm.
But sometimes we should try to think about the product. Maybe we need to improve our product, not our process.
Mm.
Maybe because competitors' products are doing better than our product.
Yeah.
Maybe that is why we are not selling.
Mm.
So maybe improvements need to be done on our products
Instead of the process.
instead of the process. So sometimes businesses will skip products, focusing more on process.
Mm.
They're missing out on the market share.
So basically the total quality management should focus on the product itself, not the
Both
process.
the process and the product.
Yeah.
But total quality management focuses on the process, not the product. Is
Sure.
it clear?
Yeah, clear.
Then go to quality standards. Are you there?
Yeah.
Quality standards. Business can earn a reputation for quality by following a code of practice or gaining quality awards. Recognition of quality in business may be awarded by a number of organizations. One important example is the British Standards Institute, BSI. This is an independent organization that sets quality standards in the industry. One internationally recognized standard is the ISO 9000. Firms that achieve and maintain a certain standard can carry the BSI kite mark. The kite mark tells the customer that BSI quality standards are consistently achieved by the business. The benefits to a business of ISO 9000 clarification are summarized. When you have ISO 9000,
What is ISO 9000?
it is certifying that your product is consistently with quality. Your product is consistent with quality.
Why do we need quality rewards?
It's a way of marketing your product.
Oh, marketing.
Yeah, it's a way of marketing your product. Your customers will feel that they are buying a product with great quality.
Mm.
They certify you okay. Do you know what that means?
Yeah.
It gives you a competitive advantage over your competitors.
Mm.
Let's see the advantages.
Sure.
It helps to identify staff training needs.
Mm.
So with ISO, it means you understand that you need to continuously train your workers so that they can always give quality at all time.
Mm.
2, shows customers that they are taking measures to improve quality. It also means that customers would know that whatever product they are buying from you as a business is a product that continuously improves its quality.
Mm.
Records and investigate all quality failures and customer complaints.
Okay. Record.
Yeah, before you could get ISO 9000, it would have meant that you passed the test of the body itself.
Really?
Do you get it?
Mm.
Highlights products or designs problems and develops improvements.
Design problems? How's that in...
Before you could get ISO 9000 certification, it would have meant that you have understood your problems about your product and you have made amendments. Before they give you an okay, you would have understand that certain problems you have certain problems in your business and you have rectified them.
Sure.
Ensures orders are consistently delivered on time.
Okay.
So before you can meet up this standard, it would have meant that you continuously deliver on time to your customers. Defines key roles, responsibilities, and authorities in a business. It means everybody within the business are doing their job at the right time.
Yeah. Okay. What do you mean define key roles?
The managers know what they are supposed to do. The employees know what they are supposed to do. Because employees are doing the right thing, the managers are doing the right thing. That is why they are able to get the ISO 9000 certification.
Because everyone know what they're doing.
If they don't know, they won't get the certification. Motivate staff and encourage them to get things right first time. Get it right the first time.
Yeah.
So that means you are almost perfect. Examines and improve systems, methods, and procedures to lower cost. So it means you are efficient. So these are the benefits of ISO 9000 certification. Is it clear?
Clear.
Quality and competitive advantage. Quality and competitive advantage. Businesses that produce high quality products may gain a competitive edge in the market. I told you that earlier anyway. Some businesses have a reputation for producing higher quality products all over the world. For example, it might be argued that the following businesses are recognized for the quality of their products globally: Prada, Versace, Rolls-Royce, Rolex, Lego. They are seen as businesses that have quality products.
Mm.
So that brings it, that allows them to, to have what we call the unique selling point. That is their own selling point.
Mm. Yeah.
Do you understand? So
what do you mean selling point?
this makes them to have, this differentiates them from their competitors.
Mm.
Versace has competitors.
Yeah.
All these businesses that are mentioned here, all these brands that are mentioned here, they have competitors, yes or no?
Yeah.
But because they deliver quality, this gives them a unique selling point. Do you get what unique selling point is?
Yeah.
It's a feature that makes your products to differ from those of your competitors. And that allows you to even charge higher price.
Really?
Yes.
Because they are unique.
They are unique. They are not like others. So customers will see them differently from those of their competitors. That is what unique selling point is. So most of the businesses in the mass market, they need to find a way to differentiate their product. And one way to differentiate their product is through unique selling points. So with unique selling points,
like such as what unique selling point?
The quality you give that others cannot give. Like I just said, Versace now.
Yeah.
There are other competitors. Why do they mention Versace? Versace is a brand.
Yeah.
But why are they not mentioning their competitors? Because Versace is doing well than its competitors. So the ability that Versace has to do well than its competitors is the unique selling point.
True.
Do you get it now?
Yeah.
So Versace is able to differentiate itself from those of its competitors. So that is what quality would give. So quality will give you a competitive advantage over your competitors. It gives you an edge.
It gives you an edge
over your competitors. Is it clear? So that is quality and competitive advantage. We have the multiple choice question now.
Multiple choice questions.
Yes, please do.
All right, sure. Okay, let's get started. Number 1, which of the following is a feature of a TQM? A, quality chains. B, product differentiation. C, cash flow forecasting. D, labor intensive production methods. A, quality chains.
Sorry, please. We just have to start again, please.
Okay, sure.
So we have multiple choice question for chapter 45. Start, please.
Okay, again. Number 1, which of the following is a feature of a TQM, which is total quality management?
Great.
A, quality chains. B, product differentiation. C, cash flow forecasting. D, labor intensive production methods.
So what's the answer?
Super obvious, right? Quality chains.
Quality chains. Now when we talk about quality chains, it means the links of each employee.
Each employee, each capital.
Watching out for
each
quality.
Yeah.
And seeing themselves as suppliers and customers. Okay? Question 2, please.
It's so obvious since it has
the question 2, please.
Okay, yeah. Number 2, which a commitment by a business to maintain quality throughout the organization is called what?
Commitment to maintain quality throughout organization is called what?
Okay, yeah. A, quality circles.
Do you know what quality circles is?
It's a group of people who checks quality.
Who sits down to discuss quality, not check.
Yes,
quality audit is checking quality.
Yeah, discuss.
They come together to sit and discuss quality. That is quality circle.
Yeah.
Okay. So it is not quality, that's not maintaining quality.
Yeah, I know, the group of people.
Yeah, quality chain, we know that already.
C, quality assurance, and D, quality control. It says a commitment by a business to maintain quality throughout the organization. To maintain quality. D. Quality control.
Quality control is checking quality at the end of production. So it is not D, it is C. Quality assurance. Quality assurance is a commitment that a business will maintain quality throughout its organization. That is quality assurance. That brings about total quality management. So the answer is C. Question
Quality
3.
control is for product itself.
Quality control.
Yeah, to check the
Checking
quality.
checking quality at the end of production.
Yeah.
That is quality control.
Where's the checking the
It is
quality?
not the commitment. Commitment is about assurance.
Yeah, making sure everything is perfect, or at least stable.
Question 4. Question 3.
Sure. Question 3. Which of the following is a possible disadvantage of TQM? Okay, A. Waste of efficiency.
Waste and inefficiencies.
Yeah, I said waste and efficiencies rise. B. It is expensive to implement. C. It is not organized globally. D. It is unclear. B.
It is expensive to implement. Great.
It
Question
is
3.
expensive to bring specialists. You have to bring specialists and
Yeah, sure. Question 4.
yeah.
You have to train your workers.
Yeah.
And everybody has to be committed. And
all of that is expensive.
Yeah.
You have to
Question
bring
4.
effort and
Question 4.
commitment. Number 4. Teamwork is an important feature of which of the following? A. Quality insurance.
Assurance.
Yeah, assurance. I said B. TQM. C.
Delayering.
What's delayering?
Reducing the hierarchy within an organization. Hierarchy, you know hierarchy.
Yeah, I know hierarchy.
Yeah, reducing them. That's
reducing
delayering.
them. Okay.
To bring about short chain command.
And more communication.
Thank you.
And D. Labor intensive production.
So, teamwork is an important feature of which of the following?
Easy. B.
TQM. Thank you. So that ends chapter 45 and the book. Done for the day.